So if you're stuck without access to a studio easel, here's a quick fix. Note the supplies on the screen: a ruler, hot glue gun, scissors, tape, X-Acto knife or box cutter, and a pen. You'll see that we don't necessarily need all these, but they are options depending on availability or your comfort level. I'm using the pen and the ruler to score the box about 2.5 inches from the start of the lid. Notice that I don't cut anything, I'm just making an intentional dent to create a fold. Next, I'm going to cut a triangular shape out of the tabs near the fold I just made along the sides of the lid. I'm going to fold the 2 lower tabs I just made into the box and secure them. You can do this with hot glue or tape, your choice. Any other tape I use here is just the OCD in me wanting to make or just to bridge the gap here between the 2 pieces of tape. You do what you want. You can even use something other than this tape. You could, find some colored tape of some sort or whatever. It's a cheap easel, but it's your easel. Decorate it however you want. Now we are going to tape the tabs at the front of the lid and the sides of the lid together at the corners. This will help secure the extra piece of cardboard that I will use in just a moment to elevate the lid. We obviously need something to prop the lid up so we can support a canvas. So, if you can find an extra piece of cardboard somewhere and cut it to a desirable size, that should work easy enough. I cut mine to about 14.5 inches long. That includes 1 3/4 inch of a fold as well. I intentionally used a box cutter here and a pair of scissors just to show you that either one obviously works. So pick your preference and move forward with that. The small fold I mentioned earlier goes into the base of the pizza box. Now I'm going to use 2 straws to create a lip. You can use a hot glue gun or tape, either one. Here I'm going to use tape because it's quicker. This lip will help keep the canvas from sliding off of the easel. And there you have it. It's a pizza box easel. Super cheap, ready to go. You may want to put some books, add some extra weight in the base to keep it a little steady, but otherwise, get to work. Enjoy painting.